how to use the JavaScript operators. Okay, so we have here, I am already using my Notepad++, and this time we will going to write, or we will going to add or use the following arithmetic operators. After the arithmetic operators, we will going to use the assignment operators, and lastly, we will going to use the string operators. Okay, so let us start this one by writing our paragraph. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 10, calculate for z. If z is equal to x plus okay, so this will be our mathematical sentence or statement. If x is equal to 5 and if y is equal to 10, then we will going to calculate for z if z is equal to x plus y. This time we will going to use our arithmetic operators, and for this we're going to use the let x is equal to 5, let y is equal to 10. This time let z is equal to x plus y. Okay, so this time make sure that your document that get element by ID must be equal to z. Okay, so after that one, please save your video, save your work, and let us try to check what happened to our website. Let's go to our browser and let us do a refresh. Okay, so there you go. So this is our paragraph. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 10, calculate for z if z is equal to x plus y. So as what you can see, we have here already 15. We have here 15 because it already calculate the x plus y, which is x, that is 5, and y, that is 10. 5 plus 10, that is equal to 15. Now, we're going to go back to our Notepad++. If we try to change our number here, let's say y is equal to 19. Let's see and save this one if it will compute and give the correct answer. Let's do a refresh. Okay, so there we go. As what you can see, it changes from 15 into 24. So as what you can see, using our JavaScript operators, we can do some mathematical equation, or we can solve. Now, not only that, we can also put, or let's see how this is going to add another one here. Let O is equal to 15 and let Z is equal to 10. Okay, how about this one? This time, instead of addition, let's try to add another arithmetic operators, and that is multiplication. For multiplication, then we are using the star or the pound, the star pound or the star symbol. Okay, so x plus y times O. Okay, so let us save our work. Now, let us try to check if our website follows the PEMDAS rule. For the PEMDAS rule, of course, we need to do the multiplication first before we do the add. So let us first multiply. Y is equals to 10 and O is equals to 15. 10 times 15, that is 150. 150 plus 5, our answer is supposed to be 155. Let's see if the answer is 155. Let's do a refresh. Very good. So the answer is correct. Okay, it's 155. But if our website does not follow the PEMDAS rule, then we will arrive in a different answers. If our website will follow the rule from left to right without using the PEMDAS rule, then we will arrive with a different answers. Wherein, it will going to add 5 to 10 first, and that is 15, and 15 times 15, then we will arrive with a different answers instead of 115. So, we find out that in our website, it follows certain rule, especially when we are dealing with different operators, and that is with the use of the PEMDAS rule. Okay, this time, we're done with the arithmetic or the arithmetic operators. We can also, by the way, we can also use parentheses. Okay, so for parentheses, our website will add first before it multiplies. So let us try to save that one and check whether it arrives with a different answer. Let's do a refresh. Okay, so there you go. The answer is 225. Why is it? It is 225 because it adds first the x and the y, which is 5 times 10, and that is 15. 15 times 15, which is O, that is 225. Okay, the next thing that we are going to do here is let's try to use assignment operators. For assignment operators, we use this symbol. Plus equals, minus equals, multiplication equals, division equals. We have also the percent equals 4 if we want to find the remainder. Okay, now how to use this one? To use assignment operators, then let us going to use the var number, and that number is equal to 10. Okay, now if we were going to use number, this number is equal to 10, number add equal to 5, then our answer will become, by the way, I'm just going to use this z into a number since we're using number. Save our work. It means to say that our number 10 will be added to 5, and our answer should be 10 plus 5, that is 15. So let's do a refresh. Okay, so there you go. The answer changes into 15. Okay, how about this one? If I'm going to change the value, let's say I'm going to change it into 15. Our number added by 15, then the answer will be 25. Okay, the next, how about if I'm going to change the value of our number? Let's say I'm going to make this one as 30. Save our work. And let's do a refresh. Okay, so 30 plus 15, that is 45. So that is with the use of our assignment operators plus equal. Now, how about if we're going to use the minus equal symbol? It means to say instead of adding, we will going to subtract from our number. So 30 minus 15. Let's see what will happen. Let's do a refresh. Very good. That is 15. Okay. So that is with the use of our assignment operators. We can also use the multiplication. Instead of minus, then we can use divide, multiply. So 30 times 15. Then the answer is 450. Okay. So that is with the use of our assignment operators. Okay. Now, for our last discussion about JavaScript operators, we will going to use the string operators. For the string operators, it means to say that each of the following variables are string or attached to one another. Okay, like for example, we're going to use that x is equal to 5, let y is equal to 10, and let z is equal to 15. Now, let x, let o is equal to x plus y. Okay, so we already done this one, wherein it computed the x and the y. So let us check what happened to our website. Okay, so that is 15. Now, how about if we were going to put a string operators here? How about if I'm going to put another value here and I'm going to use z? Okay, the z here, as what you can see, we have here an apostrophe here. It means to say that this z here is a string operator. So if we're going to put a z or a string operators between our variables x plus y, let's see what will happen. Okay, so there you go. Instead of computing the value of x, which is 5, and the value of 10, which is 5, since they are string, it means to say they instead we're going to add, we're going to attach one another or combine to one another. Okay, so thank you so much for listening. See you again in our next live class.